Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to do Discord text tricks. So what you want to do is first the bold text, so just put into asterisk just like so. As you can see, just click on enter. Next is the italic, so one asterisk just like so, click on enter. Next is the bold italic, 3 asterisks, and type in the word. You can see next is the underlined text, so go with 2 underscores right there, and 2 underscores, type in the word underline, 2 underscores again. As you can see, it is underlined. Now underlined italic, which is 3 underscores, italic there. Next is a strike through text, so this is called a tilde, which can be seen on the top of your tab key or besides your 1 key or under your escape key. So what you want to do is put 2 tilde symbols right there and put your word. Put it again on both ends. Next is the spoiler text. You need 2 vertical lines, which is this key is usually under your backspace key. 2 vertical lines. So this is a spoiler text. 2 vertical lines again. There, as you can see, it's a spoiler text. So once you click on it, it will reveal itself. Next, the block text or block text. So you need this symbol right here, which is the one symbol with the tilde. The other symbol with the tilde. So just like that, and type your text just like so. The symbol again, as you can see. If you want multiple block text, just need to put 3 there and put on your text. As you can see, text, just need to shift enter, put on those again there. And next is the block quote. So you need to put a greater than symbol, click on space. As you can see, there's a quote. Next is multiple quote lines. So let's say there are 3 greater than symbols, and I click on space. So as you can see, quote, and you could do anything. You just need to click on shift enter. After you're done, just click on enter. And lastly is a invisible text or invisible line. So you just need to click on underscore and click on space and then underscore and then click on enter. As you can see, it pops off a line with nothing on it or no text within it. And that is it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because I'll reach more people. See you on the next one.